Another fine vehicle offered by AutoQuest.
This is a 2005 Audi A4, a great fit and finish. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a 6-speed manual transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, cruise control, a Bose stereo system, alloy wheels, fog lamps, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
AutoQuest is located at 5910 Corson Avenue South in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.